Hello, Namaste, and Hello, Privet. Today I bring to you a divine and colorful oil pastel artwork that holds deep spiritual and cultural significance. The face of Lord Jagannath, the beloved deity of Odisha, and the heart of the Jagannath temple in Puri. This drawing is filled with intricate jewelry, vibrant hues, and Lord Jagannath's iconic smile. It's more than just an artwork. It's a visual journey to devotion, tradition, and heritage. So stay with me till the end as I guide you step by step to create this holy piece. And along the way, we will also explore the stories and mysteries behind this powerful deity. To be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed because I wanted to add more intricate details to this artwork. But due to the paper quality and the materials I used, it didn't turn out exactly the way I imagined. I am thinking of recreating this piece digitally as well, and if I do, I will definitely share it here. Now let's explore some fascinating facts about Lord Jagannath that many of you might not have heard before. Lord Jagannath, whose name means Lord of the Universe, is a form of Lord Vishnu, more specifically a unique form of Krishna. He is worshipped along with his siblings, Lord Balabhadra and Devi Subhadra, in the sacred city of Puri. What makes Lord Jagannath so special is his distinct appearance, wide circular eyes, no visible hands or legs, and a smile that seems to radiate eternal joy. It is said that this form represents the all-seeing, all-loving nature of the divine who embraces all beings without judgment. The Jagannath temple, one of the four sacred Chardham pilgrimage sites, is filled with mysteries and miracles. Did you know? No bird flies over the temple dome. The temple flag, which flutters opposite the wind's direction, is changed daily by a priest climbing 200 feet high without any safety gear, a ritual that's been followed for centuries. Another divine tale speaks of the Mahaprasad, the sacred food of the Lord. No matter how many devotees come, the food never falls short and not a grain goes to waste. Isn't that incredible? Well, no introduction of Lord Jagannath is complete without speaking about one of the grandest festivals of India, the Rath Yatra, or the Festival of Chariots. Celebrated with immense devotion and joy, this annual festival marks the time when Lord Jagannath, along with his siblings Lord Balabhadra and Devi Subhadra, leaves his temple to visit his aunt's house, the Gundicha temple, located 3 kilometers away. This journey symbolizes the divine stepping out of the temple to bless all devotees, regardless of caste, creed, or background. The deities are carried in 3 magnificent wooden chariots, each carved and painted with rich detailing, pulled by thousands of devotees chanting Jai Jagannath. This procession is not just a religious event, it's a visual and spiritual experience that brings millions together in unity and faith. The Rath Yatra teaches us that the divine is not confined to temples or rituals. It comes out to meet the people, blesses all equally, and works with us on the journey of life. So today, as we embark on this oil pastel journey, let us also keep in our hearts the spirit of Rath Yatra, the spirit of divine movement, artistic devotion, and unity in diversity.